Hey there, welcome back to our channel. We're thrilled to have you here today. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. We'll be uncovering the secret money-making strategies that the rich are using, but don't want you to know about. These strategies are game changers and could potentially transform your financial future. From stock market trading to real estate investing, e-commerce, and even personal finance management, AI is revolutionizing the way we make money. Stay tuned till the end for a bonus tip that could change your financial game forever. First up, let's talk about AI in stock market trading. High-frequency trading bots and AI algorithms analyze massive amounts of data in seconds, spotting trends that human traders can't. These systems can execute trades at lightning speed, often making profitable decisions in milliseconds. Imagine having a tool that can predict market movements with incredible accuracy. This is the power of AI in stock market trading. Many wealthy individuals and institutions are already leveraging these technologies to maximize their profits. And the best part? You can too. With the right tools and knowledge, you can start making smarter, more informed trading decisions. Next, we have AI in real estate investing. AI tools are revolutionizing the way properties are bought and sold. These tools can predict property values, identify investment opportunities, and even automate the purchasing process. Imagine knowing the best properties to invest in before anyone else. With AI, you can analyze market trends, evaluate property values, and make data-driven investment decisions. This gives you a significant edge over traditional investors. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, AI can help you make smarter, more profitable real estate investments. The future of real estate investing is here, and it's powered by AI. Moving on to e-commerce and dropshipping, AI is a game changer here too. From chatbots that provide 24/7 customer support to AI algorithms that recommend products based on user behavior, these technologies can significantly boost sales and efficiency. AI can even manage inventory and predict demand, ensuring you never run out of stock on hot items. Imagine having a system that can predict which products will be in high demand and ensure you always have them in stock. This is the power of AI in e-commerce and dropshipping. Many successful e-commerce businesses are already leveraging these technologies to stay ahead of the competition. And the best part, you can too. With the right tools and knowledge, you can start making smarter, more informed business decisions. Ever wondered how some influencers and businesses consistently churn out high-quality content? Many are leveraging AI-powered content creation tools. These tools can generate blog posts, social media content, and even video scripts, saving tons of time and effort while keeping the audience engaged and coming back for more. Imagine having a tool that can generate high-quality content in a fraction of the time it would take to do it manually. This is the power of AI in content creation. Many successful content creators and businesses are already leveraging these technologies to stay ahead of the competition. And the best part? You can too. With the right tools and knowledge, you can start creating high-quality content that engages your audience and drives results. And now for our bonus tip. AI can also help you manage your personal finances. AI-driven apps can analyze your spending habits, suggest ways to save money, and even automate your investments. It's like having a personal financial advisor available 24/7. Imagine having a tool that can help you manage your finances, save money, and invest wisely. This is the power of AI in personal finance management. Many people are already leveraging these technologies to take control of their finances and achieve their financial goals. And the best part? You can too. With the right tools and knowledge, you can start making smarter, more informed financial decisions. So there you have it, the AI money-making strategies that the rich are using. Now it's your turn to take advantage of these powerful tools. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you next time. Check out these related videos to learn more about AI and financial strategies. Follow us on social media for daily tips and insights. Thanks for watching. Remember, the future of finance is here and it's powered by AI. Don't miss out on the opportunity to stay ahead of the curve. Subscribe to our channel and join our community of forward-thinking individuals. Together, we can unlock the full potential of AI and achieve financial success. See you in the next video.